collaboration with UNESCO, is hosting a series of workshops in puppetry design and performance targeting persons aged 50 and over. The latest session began on June 10 and will conclude on June 14.
The most senior participant, 83-year-old Osla Arthur, enjoyed making her puppet. For her, this workshop was the perfect opportunity to learn something new.
I'm a senior citizen. Instead of sitting around home and, doing nothing, it comes to interact with other people and enjoy doing something that is useful.
Among the puppets on display was Henry, a puppet made 31 years ago. One of the puppetry teachers, Natasha Aziz, spoke of the program's objective.
One of the objectives of this workshop is to teach people how to make simple puppets which can tell stories, which can bring a smile and joy to someone else's life.
The workshop currently has 16 participants, some of whom related their experiences to InfoHub.
Most fun part is making her. This is the first time I'm making puppets. But we really haven't. I normally have VBS, the Bible Vocation School, every August. So we teach the children to make the puppets.
From the Catholic Life Center with glove puppet Gloria, Natisha Isaacs for InfoHub.